Hello, this is Brandon Johnson, and this is my Module 1 assignment for EDL 851. A brief introduction of myself. This is currently my 8th year of teaching. I've spent all 8 years in Hayesville USD 261. The first 4 years of my teaching career, I was the in-school suspension room teacher at Hayesville West, and I currently teach PE at Campus High School, and I've been doing that for the past 4 years. Some of my teaching duties include freshman PE. I also teach some upper level PE classes. One of my favorite classes that I teach is called Outdoor Recreation. It's a pretty cool class that we've created at the high school where we take kids out fishing and we do some archery and just some recreation type stuff that they'll be able to enjoy after school. Um, Along with my teaching responsibilities, I also coach. I am a basketball coach and a baseball coach, both at Campus High School. Um, Outside of school, a little bit about my personal life. I'm married. I've been married to my wife Chantel for 10 years. We have two kids. My son Carter's 6 and he's in kindergarten, and my daughter Elliot is 3 years old. Um, some of the hobbies that I like to enjoy would be hunting, fishing. I like grilling. I like doing yard work. I like watching sports and just spending some free time with my family whenever I get to. Some of the reasons why I want to be an administrator, the main reason why is because I want to be an athletic director. Uh, I've always been involved with athletics growing up, and I think being an athletic director would be a good step for me within my education career. So that's one of the main reasons why I want to get into administration. Some personal experience with supervision and some responsibilities. Those would include lunchroom supervision. I've done that before. Um, Monitoring the lunchroom during school lunches. I've also worked some sporting events, supervision at those events. I've worked supervision at dances, our high school homecoming dance, our high school prom dance. I've also done some supervision of before and after school duties, and I've also supervised detentions after school. In my time down at Hayesville West, I did all the after school detention supervisions. Some personal experience with past observations or evaluations conducted on myself. Since this is my 8th year of teaching, I believe that I've been evaluated 4 times, um, and those experiences have all gone pretty well because I still have a job, so that's good. But a little bit more about those evaluation experiences. I would say, there was a lot of observations that in the year that I was being evaluated that led up to the final observation. Um, we had 3 meetings that were conducted with the administrator that was evaluating me. There was a pre-evaluation meeting. There was that we kind of established goals for, what I was trying to accomplish in the classroom. There was a progress monitoring meeting where we basically just checked and made sure that those goals were being met, if we needed to change any of our goals. And then there was a post-evaluation meeting where we got constructive feedback from our administrators on things that we could possibly work on to better our teaching. Um, Along with my teaching evaluations that I've received, I also receive yearly evaluations of my coaching, and those have gone pretty well for me. I like being evaluated personally. It helps me understand what I need to improve upon and to better myself. So I'm really looking forward to this class and learning more about the evaluation process and the supervision process of being an administrator. Anyways, again, my name is Brandon Johnson. I want to thank everybody for watching my video, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you. Bye.